What's that smell? Smells like something died in here. It's so messy. So it's time to clean this thing. I've been meaning to clean it for about a month now because I'm looking for stuff and I can't get to them. I need to organize it so things are available to me when I need them. By the way, my name is Anna. Welcome to my garden. So I'm gonna start taking stuff out and see what I have, because to be honest, I don't even know what's at the bottom of this. I just been throwing stuff in here that I don't even know. I think this is empty. So I think I'm gonna make like 2 piles of stuff. That way it's easy for me to organize it. Like, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Like, when did I make this? I don't even remember. So there is an old potato in here. This thing is like almost empty. To find somewhere to put this. There's my worm castings at the very end of everything. How much fertilizer does a person need? Look at that, another box. I'm pretty sure some of it is bad because it feels very hard and like clumpy. I didn't even know I had this. Okay. So everything is out. I think I'm just gonna give it a little clean, like get all the soil and everything, give it a wipe down. But now that I see everything, you know, that I have, and I just don't wanna just clean it and put it back in there. So I was thinking, maybe if I get some kind of shelf or something, because there's so much space that I'm not using in here, you know, because I'm just like stacking everything, and it looks like it's you know, getting damaged from the stuff pushing against the walls. So I'm gonna have to see if I can fix that and maybe measure the space and see if I can find a little shelf or, you know, something that I can put the stuff in. I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna take some measurements of the shed. That way I can find a shelf that fits good in here. So let's do that. Oh man, there's a bunch of roaches in here. Okay, I have the measurements for the shelf. So now, let's go shopping. So I found the perfect shelf, but I had to stop and look at the plants. So I will see you back in the garden. So we're back home. Now let's assemble the shelf. It should be pretty easy to put together. And we can put it back in our little garden shed. Let me see. I cannot find where to open it from. This would probably be easier if I just read the instructions, but whatever. Let's turn it around. Okay, it's all done. Now let's go put it in the shed. Hopefully it fits. Let's see. Okay, well, it looks way smaller than what I wanted, but it should be fine. I mean, I don't have like a bunch of stuff to put in there, so it should be good. What do you think? I think it's good though. That way I can put shovels and, you know, whatever is tall on this side, and then I can organize the other stuff. Let's see. I left this bottom part a little bit bigger, like for this kind of stuff, for my peat moss. I'm gonna have to clean my fertilizers because they're really a little yucky. So I'm gonna have to clean them and maybe put them in like Ziploc bags or something, because some of them don't have good like zips, and I think that's why they're kind of like chunky. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, let's get organizing. See, this is bad. I should be cleaning my tools right after I use them, because if you don't, this creates rust on them and, you know, they go bad. So I'm gonna be giving them a cleaning after I'm done with all of this. I'm gonna give them some love. I planted some bulbs not too long ago. This would have been handy. Oh my gosh. This is looking so much better. I know where this goes to, but I swear I have another one. I'm gonna look for it, but for now I'm gonna keep it, just in case, if I need it. Like, I was wondering, do you wash these pots? Or am I supposed to just kind of like rinse them off with water? Because they're very dirty. I wonder if I can throw them in the washer. Maybe not a good idea. Because all that stuff is going to be in the washer. Okay, these I will for sure keep inside of this thing. Look at me go. It looks so nice. I like it. This is getting me really excited. These I don't know where to put, but I do want to keep them because when it rains, I use them for saving water or doing like compost tea or, you know, warm casting tea or something like that. So I do want to keep these. I think I'm gonna put them in here. Ooh, that almost didn't fit, but it did. Well, I think I'm all done. I'm really happy with the result. But yeah, everything looks better, like more organized. I'm gonna be able to, you know, look through my fertilizers. That was important to me. And now I can find my worm castings. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.